All right, so next stage here, just wanted to show you guys the actual, our little, what we call our outdoor kitchen here, and our little situation we set up. Picked up a few years ago, picked up a really cool old Airstream. These are kind of famous trailers here in the States. They're round, they're beautifully built. This is a 1972 Airstream, and from years ago in Mexico, saw a guy who'd taken an Airstream and kind of built around it. So this is our temporary dwellings here. And then we've built some things around it. Got some old barn wood from some turkey feeders. Apple Valley was a place where they raised literally millions of turkeys at Jess Ranch. And we broke down these turkey feeders and got this really cool old barn wood. And then this is a straw bale wall here. Just kind of the entrance. Had a little job restoration on one of the mines this year. We had to move some plants, and this is a Mojave yucca, Yucca shedegera that we actually moved over here. So it's only been sitting there for just a little bit. So it's kind of what it looks like. Again, looking up to the desert, just to give you, the desert, looking out at the creosote bushes. Excuse me. The trick here was we wanted to really have a minimum footprint. We're not planning to have lawns and all of that. And basically where the house is going to go up there was very little. As you can see, we kind of plunked it down between the Joshua trees, and there were just a few little low bushes, so we didn't really have to disturb very much at all. And that's really a central theme here of this. We're trying to also, if you notice, we're digging it back into that hill there because the Mojave Desert, any desert actually, the soil stays at a good low 60s year-round. And so it's a wonderful insulator. So with the straw bale and digging it back in the hill, that's just one of the many sustainability kind of energy savings and other little tricks that you come up with. Looking right in front of it, you'll see a lot of pipes sticking out of the ground. That's actually because we're plumbed for gray water. So everything other than the toilets is actually going to run back out here and actually come out to some fruit trees that were, if we can keep them alive long enough from all the pack rats and stuff that eat them, we'll be putting them right out here. So if you scan across here, we're looking actually at the trailer, and of course the South African surfboard that the boys built and we took to Costa Rica, hanging up there. It's kind of done its day as a surfboard. And this is what we call our outdoor kitchen. And tried a few different things which are kind of fun. Have actually a cement countertop here, which we still have to finish and kind of put some urethane on. But it's got some Mexican shells embedded in it and some cool stuff here on the side. They give you a picture of that. And then we've got our running water. We're super proud of this. Got to show you this, guys. Tammy was really impressed with this, but got to show you that, we actually do have running water. So, you can't be saying, I don't know what she was complaining about, because, come on, there we have running water. Got this old tank, and actually it's going to come off the roof. We got an old corrugated iron roof. It's going to come off and go right into the top of this tank, and then we'll recover some water just from rainfall, just like the people always did. And then this is the trailer itself, obviously. And then what's kind of cool is we've built a room in the back of the container. So this gives you a better look. This is that storage container, shipping container. And we've built a room back there, and I think it's going to be kind of cool. We've got it all paneled with barn wood and stuff, and then we're hoping that once we paint this polyurethane finish here, that it'll actually start looking more like rock. So we're gonna paint that and have it look like rock, and so that's kind of cool. Wanted to show you right over here. I won't be able to look at it, I didn't open up, but right in there is our composting toilet. Big moment for me a couple of years. Got a composting toilet for my birthday, so that was pretty strange but pretty cool. And then just kind of looking up, we got some fencing going back there. We've got a little trailer up on the corner there. Just finishing up our little jacuzzi area there. And then, the sun's just going down, and just kind of give you a picture. another 3 months, this whole hill that you're looking at there will just be solid wildflowers. So again, will be the Mojave Desert in its full bloom. So just wanted to wish all of you guys just a fantastic Christmas, and God blessings to all of you, and we just hope to see as many of you we can in the next year. And we'll be putting this up on our new site, the Sustainable Learning Center, and start doing some serious blogging and hopefully some communication this year is the goal. But I think we've said that before. So take care and have a fantastic Christmas, and all the best.